Now listen here. Exercise 6.7. You got to find out the same. In this exercise, all got to find out the same. Read the question clearly. Find the non-parametric form of the vector equation. The parametric form of the vector is not asking. Only non-parametric only asking. And the Cartesian. Two parts only asking. Certain object is asking. Passing through one point. This is not one point. To the point. And the parallel to the second. From the second, denote is always what? Parameter. Given is always point. But point is only given. That's why what is given actually? Given point 2, 3, 6. And what is given? The line x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 3, z minus 1 by 1. Next, x plus 3 by 2, y minus 3 by minus 5, z plus 1 by minus 3. Alright, what do you? X, first start with x, y, z doesn't matter. So 2x minus x not mean, we consider first of all is x. It implies a vector equal to the point 2y vector I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k. Next, v vector equal to what? Denominator, first denominator 2y cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay? Then c vector 2y cap minus 5j cap minus 3k. In this way you will assume. Okay? That's very important. Now write the formula. From the question, what I told you, from the question, this is point, where vector mean, you will assume denominators, b vector, c vector. Suppose 2 points are given. 2 points let be a vector, b vector. This is only one given, where vector. They are written c vector. That's all. From the question, you will assume a, b, c. First point, point a, where vector. Now write the formula for what is the question design? The one is non-parametric form of vector equation. What is the formula? R vector minus a vector dot b cross is the formula. 1 point 2 vector. That's why what is the formula? R minus a dot b cross is the formula. That's why we need because the big cross is equal to I cap, j cap, j cap. So what the coefficient I, j, k, b, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. The coefficient I, j, k, is what? 2, minus 5, minus 3. From the percent, b vector, c vector. Now expansion, I will take minus 9 plus 5. And j into minus 6 minus 2. K with minus 5 minus 6. Now minus 4 I get, minus plus 8 j get, minus 16 get. Am I right? This is because substitute the value there, that is not non-parametric equation of the equation of parent A. Am I right? First of all, you find P plus C, P plus after that, therefore non-parametric form of vector equation is R vector minus j vector 2y j 3j plus 6k goes up like that dot alright dot b cross I will find out 4i cap 8j cap and 16k equal to 0. This is called non-parametric vector equation. What's for over? Now next is what? Cartesian vector. Cartesian form of the equation. Now we have a formula 1.2 back to the formula x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, b1 c1, b1 c2 b3, c1 c2 c3. In this way, you want x1, we can answer one method. That's the formula actually. But easy method is already you know R vector is what? From this final answer, you find the Cartesian equation is one because R vector is already you know x I cap, y j cap, z j cap. Start with substitute dot minus 4i cap 8j cap minus 16j cap equal to. Now multiply this is this and this is this. Okay, this is equal. First one is what? xi cap yj cap zj cap dot. So what dot minus 4i cap plus 8j cap minus 16j cap minus 2i cap 3j cap plus 6j cap. Am I right? Or otherwise, easy method for you directly from the first thing you know to first equation. From first one, the first becomes what becomes what is formula? R minus a dot b plus u formula. Now R dot b minus R dot d cross c minus a dot d cross c. Then what is equal? Is not. Now R has what already? The dot is equal to me. Substitute is going to be less answer. Am I right? Now the first one is what? R dot xi cap yj cap zj cap dot b cross already find out minus 4i cap 8j cap 6j cap minus 16j cap. Then minus a is what? Under given point. What is the point? 2i plus 3j next plus 6k. Yeah, the same thing. B cross. Okay? Or other way, one more method, here you want to simplify this minus, you know. The minus comes in plus, you know. It is simply is equal. That will be times. R dot b cross b equal to a dot b cross c. Okay? Now it is easy for you. Now what do you do? R equal to xi cap yj cap zj cap. Okay? The xi cap yj cap zj cap dot. Okay? Dot. Next is what? R equal to 1b cross 7 find out minus 4i cap plus 3 8 j cap minus 16 j cap equal to again a dot b plus u. A argument point 2i cap 3j cap plus 6k cap dot the same minus 4i cap 8j cap minus 16j cap. Am I right? Cut that equal to now put the dot line. What's this one? Minus 4x 8y minus 16 z equal here minus 8 plus 24 minus 36 3 this is 36 4. Alright, then 96. Now simplify minus 1.4 minus 8. All the numbers are having divisible in 4. Correct? All the numbers are divisible in 4 and also minus. We don't have minus sign. The sign is divided by minus 2. Minus 4. What is the answer? X minus 2y plus 4 into x minus 2y plus 4y minus 2 into x. This is the method. Otherwise, the Cartesian form of the equation, until you know the form I know, by using the formula we get that. Which one is easy for you to do? This one method. Okay, now we do another method also. Okay? Now another method, until you know the form I know, 1 point. 1 point to vector now. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. That means b1, b2, b3, the c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. Here, x1, y1 is given now. What is the first one? No, 2, 3, 6. Then b1, b2, b3 is what is the b vector? No, 2, 3, 1. Next C1, C2, C3 is what? C1, C2, C3. C1, C2, C3 is what? Last one. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Okay? Now, the formula is x minus x1 is what? 2. Y minus 3. Z minus 6. B1, B2, 2, 3, 1. Last one what? 2 minus 5 minus. X1 with the same one. X minus 2 into close bracket minus sign plus 4 minus y minus 3 into close bracket minus 6 minus 2. Last is what? Z minus 6 into last one is what? Minus 7 minus 6. Okay? Now simplify x minus 2. Subtract minus 5. You want to write minus 5 here. Y minus 3. Or you minus 8. To write the number in front of y minus 3, minus 8 is already minus plus 6. Here, minus 16. Here, right here, plus 6 minus 16 is minus 6. Now what make? Minus 5 is plus 7. 8 y minus 24. The minus 16 is there. Plus minus 16. Okay. The body of number 2 minus 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. What's the next one? Z minus 2, x minus 2 into minus 9 plus 5. What is that? Minus 4x plus 8. Right in order, minus 4x, 8y, minus 16. Now subtract 8 minus 16, 24, minus 16, 8. What are you doing now? Divided by minus 1. X minus 2y plus 4z minus 2. The same answer. Which one easy one to do? You must follow the formula meaning. This type of what is the you write the formula clearly. If it is an answer wrong, you will get a comma mark. At least you will get some mark. Suppose that means some mistake will come in, you will not get the mark. That's why by using this method also. This method is easy for you. Write the formula, find out accuracy, also will get answer. Cartesian separate formula is there. Write the formula, substitute all will be simply get answer. Really, this paper was saying point to vector by using the suitable formula and substitute the very answer. Here also, suitable write the formula, suitable formula, substitute the very answer. This is easy for you. Am I right? Which method is easy for you? Anyway, you follow this method. This is easy for you. Now, good morning, children. Now, important 5 more concept. Next exercise concept. First idea, first formula, equation of a straight line, equation of a plane passing through 2 points and is parallel to a vector. That means what? 2 point, 1 vector. Similarly, the next one is what? We are given for 1 point parallel to 2 vector. Here are all 3 points. First one is what? All 3 points. In this way, we have 3 formulas are there. In all 3 formula, here 1 point, am I going 1 point, 2 vector. Here 2 point, 1 vector. Next one is all 3 points. Now first I want to explain the first 1 point. Am I right? The first point, here equation of a plane passing through a given point. That means what? 1 point and parallel to 2 non-parallel vectors. Simple concept. 1 point, 2 vector. What is the formula? The point always assumes an A vector. Already know. Then parallel vector, let it be B vector and C vector. One point means let it be A vector. The parallel vector you know that let it be B vector and C vector. That is our assumption. After 3 parts are asking, important 5 mark question. Sometimes 2 parts are asking. You must thorough all 3 formula, but sometimes all 3 parts are asking, sometimes 2 parts are asking. That is important 5 mark question. Parametric form of the vector equation asking me R vector equal to A vector plus S into B vector plus T into C vector. The S and T are scalar. The A represents point. 2 parallel vectors B vector and C vector. Write the formula, substitute A value, A vector value, B vector value, C vector value, that is the answer. That's all. First answer over. The same thing, non-parametric form of the vector equation. This is parametric, non-parametric. What is the formula? R minus A dot P cross A equal to 0. That means what? R minus A. R is standard value R. A our assumption, no, subtract. Then taking dot product, is the cross product. After substitute that is non-parametric form of the vector equation. Next is what? Cartesian form of the equation. This is the formula. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. That is point. x1, y1, z1. You want to assume from A vector 1 point given now. 2i plus 3i, 3j plus 4k being x1, y1, z1 is what? 2, 3, 4. Next is what? The parallel vector I know. Is B vector, C vector. That is called B1, P2, P3, C1, C2, C3. Now expand. We get the equation involving x, y, z. That is called Cartesian form. This is the formula for 1 point 2 vector. Next is what? Next is what? 2 point 1 vector. What is 2 point? 2 point A and B, no? 2 point A and B. C is the parallel vector. Am I correct? Now A vector plus B minus A, S into B minus A, T into this is the formula. Non-parametric formula R minus A dot the B minus A cross C in this way. Now 2 points mean x minus x1, x2 minus x2. C only parallel vector, that is C1, C2, C3. Simply 2 points are involved. The same thing, next one is what? All 3 points are given means another formula. Anyway, you must follow the formula clearly. What I told you? This is called 1.2 vector. This is called what? 2.1 vector. The first one is equal more to 3 point only a point, 3 points. What is the formula? The parametric form of the vector equation R vector equal to A vector plus S into B minus A vector plus B into C minus A vector. The non-parametric form is what? This can be as R minus A, B minus A, C minus this pass right. Or other way, each vector for you. Pass right is what? The first one dot, second and third cross. Already find B minus A, C minus A, then after cross product, substitute here, that is called non-parametric form. The same thing, 3 points are given me x minus x1, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2 is a formula. The 3 points are given me here, you will have to A vector, B vector, C vector, because vector will be substitute A vector value, B vector value, C vector is answer. Here, and A vector, B vector, C vector, no, it will be without writing A, 2, 3, 4, 4 basically this way, you will ask the points. Substitute here, we get the equation involving x, y, z. That is the answer. These 3 formulas are very important for this exercise. The important 5 mark question: find the vector, the non-parametric and parametric and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through 1.2 vector, 2.1 vector, or all 3 points. 3 categories. Total figure 3 categories. 1.2 vector, 2.1 vector. Last is all 3 points. All 3 points is accepted A, B, C. Here also A, B, C only. Here also A, here B, C. Here A, B, C. Here A, B, C. But formulas are changed. Small idea. 3 points are coming. R vector equal to A vector plus S into B minus A, T into C minus A. 2 point is what is the formula? R vector equal to S into A vector plus S into B minus A. Last is what? Only C vector. Last one. The middle part is what? R vector equal to this is called what? 1.2 vector. Only 1 point. 2 vector BC. A vector BC, B vector, C vector. A vector plus S into B vector plus B into C vector. Anyway, by using this three formula, in first exercise all the problems are only using this three formula. Very simple formula. You must have a formula clearly. 1 point, 2 vector. 3 conditions are written. Previously, 1 point parallel vector, 1 point perpendicular vector is given. That's different idea. Am I right? 2 parts are given is one formula. X minus x1. This is the formula now. X minus x1 by x2 minus x2. This is 2 point formula. Am I right? Therefore, the R vector is what? A vector plus S into D vector. Or D into D vector. This is called 1 point, 1 parallel vector. But here 3 conditions are given. 1 vector, 1 point 2 vector, 2 point 1 vector, all 3 points. That's why the 3 terms are involved. Mind it. Anyway, you must write the formula clearly, thorough the formula clearly. Then, by using this formula, I will do all the exercise problem. But anyway, this is important 5 mark question. You will do all the external problem also. That is very important. Now, listen here. Exercise 6.2, 6.7, second question. Find the parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation. A non-parametric not of same through the point 2 points and usually parallel to x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 3, z plus 1 by 6. Suppose parallel this type of equation given or perpendicular to 2x plus 6y plus 6 is given. The number whatever that does not matter. Here both are same. Perpendicular means you will assume co-ordinate x, y, this is called 2 points are going to be a vector, b vector, we need c vector. This type of equation will be the coefficient of x, y, z. That is called 2y vector, 6k vector, 6k vector. This is called c vector. So this type of equation are going to be denominator 2, 6, 6. This is 6, c vector. Anyway, 2 point 1 vector is given, but different formula is given. Parallel to this type of equation will be considered denominator. Perpendicular to this type of equation given me consider the coefficient x, y, z. Need not consider constant involving or negative or positive. That is not a vector. You will consider only x, y, z. Both are same. 1 point 2 vector. Now, from the question, I will ask directly answer. First point A, second point B, third one C. Right? This 2y vector, 2y cap, 2j cap plus 1k cap. Next say 9i cap plus 3j cap, 6k cap. Last one is what? 2y cap, 6j cap plus 6k cap. This is A, B, C. Our assumption. From the question, you want to assume. Now 2.1 vector, what is the formula? What is asking? The parametric form of the vector equation is asking. What is the formula? R vector equal to here A vector plus S into B minus C, B minus A vector plus 3 into C is a vector. We got 2 points are good. That's why you will find B minus A vector. Am I right? The formula equal to B minus C. The A vector you will try to substitute value, but B minus C we need. That's why B vector minus A vector equal to B vector is what? 9i cap, 3j cap, 6k cap. Next say 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 1k. This is called B vector, A vector minus B. Change the sign. Am I correct or not? Plus 7i cap, 1j cap plus 5k cap. This is called B minus A vector. Now substitute that is called parametric form of the Cartesian equation. Therefore, R vector equal to A vector is what? 2y cap, 2j cap plus k cap plus S into B minus A is what? 7i cap, j cap, 5 cap. Last is what? T into C vector. Our assumption 2y vector, 6j cap, 6k cap, where S and T are scalar. Otherwise, S and T becomes R. This first answer over. Am I right? 5 more question, important question, this is question last year, public question, this is question asked already. That's why you must follow the formula. Substitute the answer. Write the formula clearly. A B minus A involved. That's why I am writing B minus A. Then substitute. First answer over. First answer over. Now Now Cartesian is asked, same one. Cartesian form of the here 2 points wrong. X minus x1, y minus y1, here minus 1. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Last is what? C1, C2, C2. Equal to 2. Am I correct? Now, the first point is what? x1, y1, z1 is equal to the A vector, 2 to 1. x2, y2, z2 is equal to second point B, 9, 3, 6. First vector equation means the answer is not again. Cartesian equation without again. That's why I don't. Then C vector is what? C1, C2, C3. 2, 6, 6. Substitute here, that is the answer. Substitute and expand, we get the answer. Substitute here, x minus x1, 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. Next is what? x2 minus x1, 9 minus 2. Already x2 minus x1, b minus a, already find out. 7, 1, 5. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 is what the meaning? b minus a vector, already find out. That's the direct answer, 7, 1, 5. C1, C2 is what? The last one. 2, 6, 6. Now next one. That is the answer. Next one. And so we get the answer. The first one is what? X minus 2 into bracket 6 1s are 6, 30 minus 30. Minus y minus 2. Here mistake will come. Plus y minus half y minus 2. Close the bracket. Very important. Then this is bracket. Then 42 minus 10. Am I right? Plus z minus 1 into what is the answer? 42 minus 2. Now, x minus 1, what I told you? Subtract both, minus 24. You write in front of the bracket. Minus 24. Minus 24 into x minus 2. Here, subtract both, 32. And minus 7. Minus 32 into, close the bracket and make answer. Here, 40 plus 40 into z minus 1. Now, simplify. Minus 24x plus 48 minus 32y minus 6 minus plus 44, 64 plus 40 z minus 40 42. Write in order x term, y term, z term. Consider number 48 minus 48, 8 plus 64, 72. Here all the numbers are divisible by 4. Correct? All the numbers are divisible by minus 4. We go to minus now. Minus 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? Minus 8 also divisible by 8. Okay? All numbers are divisible by 8 divided by minus 8. What is the answer? 3x here plus 4y here minus 5 here minus 4. Am I correct? This is the answer. 3x minus plus 4y minus 5x and 5 minus 5 is plus 0. Now what is asking again question? Parametric form asking and also vector equation is asking. That is the answer. Am I correct? That's all. Now third question, find the parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation of plane passing through 2 points. 2 points is what? First vector a 2i 2j plus k vector take care 1 cap 2j cap 3 cap this over. Now one more condition, one parallel vector given or triple vector given. For instance of 2 parallel vector triple vector 2 points are given. That's why each case of the line type 2 points. First point, second point, what is formula? 3 is formula x minus x1 by x minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Substitute here, x1 is minus 1, plus 1. The same number here. Y minus 5, the same number here. Z minus plus 8 by 8. Here is x2 by 2. What is the answer? 2, 1, and 2. Am I right? You want to simplify x plus 1 by 3, y minus 5 by minus 4, z plus 8 by 5. Which is like this is not zero vector, that vector. Am I right? This is x out. From the question, previously directly 2 point A be parallel vector and perpendicular be C vector given directly. But here, by the 2 point formula, then guess the C vector. Am I right? This is x out. Then as usual. Am I right? But as usual, 2 point formula, no? What is the name? Parametric form of the vector equation. What is the formula? R vector equal to A vector plus S into B minus A vector plus D into C vector. We want B minus A vector. B is what? Second minus first. I cap minus 2k, 3k cap, 2i cap, 2j cap plus k cap. Subtract minus I cap, minus 4j cap, then plus 2k. Am I right? First one over. Next is B minus effect, no? Substitute the vectors. Therefore, R vector equal to A vector. S is B minus A, no? Plus 3 into C vector. Already calculated. Or associate. Where S and B cancel. Or, now second part. Cartesian equation. Cartesian form of equation. What is the formula? 2 point formula, no? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Last is c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. Now that we answer. Name and measure point. X minus x1. What is the point here? First point. 2 to 1. X minus 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. Next is what? X2 minus x1. That is what b minus a. Minus 1, minus 4, 2. Minus 1, minus 4, 2. Last is 0 pi. 3 minus 4 pi. 3 minus 4 pi. Now x what? That is that. X minus 2 into multiply minus 20 plus 8. Minus y minus 2 into minus 5 minus 6 plus z minus 1 into plus 4 minus 4 minus 1 plus 4. Now simplify. X minus 2 into minus 12. You will write x minus 2 into minus 12. Next step minus 11. Here only minus 11 plus 11 into y minus 2 plus 16 into z minus 1 equal to 0. Now minus 4x plus 22. 11y minus 22 plus 16z minus 16 equal to 0. Now write in order minus 4x plus 11y plus 16z. Number adding 24 minus 22, 2 minus 16 minus 14. Here all the numbers are not different number. Okay? All the numbers are different from one another. That's why one answer is what? 3. Change sign only. Am I right? All numbers are no common number. Actually, change sign only. Multiply by minus 1. 12x minus 11y minus 16z plus 14 equal to 0. This is called parametric form of the equation. Then, what is the answer? Am I right? First part That's all. This is the idea. Now, fourth question. Find the non-parametric form of the vector equation of the plane passing through one point, a point, and perpendicular to the plane and parallel to the line. Already told you, perpendicular or parallel P and P vector, C vector. Already know. Point B first to A vector over parallel to given the second case is going to be inanimous P vector or C vector. The second case is going to be the co-is xy, that's called P vector, C vector. Yeah, one is what? A vector. Next is what? B vector. This is C vector. You want also. Now write the non-parametric form of the vector. This is what? R minus A vector dot B cross C. Now multiply R dot B cross C minus A dot B cross C equal to, come say, A dot B cross C. This is going to be 1. Now we want B cross C. B cross is what? I gave J. The coefficients are B and C now. 1, 2, minus 3. The 3 minus 1 equal to I cap into 2 minus 3 minus j cap into 1 plus 9 plus k cap into minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 cap minus 10 j cap minus 7 k cap. Am I right? The 1 becomes r vector dot minus I cap minus 10 k cap minus 7 k equal to a dot base on I cap minus 2kk plus 4kk dot, let's say this one. Am I right? Let's simplify. Minus 1 plus 20 minus 28. What is the answer? Minus 9. Here r dot minus I cap minus 10k minus 7kk equal to minus 9 is the non-parametric vector equation. Non-parametric form of the vector equation. Now here, change the sign. If it is possible to change all signs, you know, r dot I cap 10j cap 7k cap equal to 9. The first term we do not negative change sign. This is a concept. This is called non-parametric form of the vector equation. Now what is the name? The Cartesian equation also asking, this problem, try to get answer. What reason? Put r vector equal to xi, yj, z. Not right. X 10y, 7 is equal to 9. That is the answer. Need not put the first formula. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. By using that formula also, the same answer will come. But easy method for you, Cartesian equation. Cartesian form of equation. This is getting next part. Am I right? Put r vector equal to xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. Substitute. Therefore, xi cap, yj cap, zk cap dot. Am I right? Dot. Next one is what? I dot I cap 10 j cap plus 7 k cap equal to 9. Now multiply x 10 y plus 7 z equal to 9. Am I right? This is easy for you. Don't put the previous formula. This is a problem. Non-parametric asking me because there are r or something wrong. Replace r is x plus y plus k, we get answer. Suppose parametric form given me no other way. You write the these formula and simplify the answer. In this also 5 question.